Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay September 11, 2024 Wednesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong September 11, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, September 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 11, 2024, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 estimated jackpot price is 40 million pesos for Wednesday, September 11, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of September 11, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.